Welcome to 5208 Churchill Road in beautiful Port Charlotte, Florida. This unique property offers endless potential on 1.38 acres, giving you the space and flexibility to bring your dream lifestyle to life. As we arrive at the front of the property, notice the expansive land and inviting entryway. Stepping inside, the welcoming living area is designed for comfort and style, featuring beautiful hardwood floors that add warmth and sophistication to the heart of the home. The expansive kitchen is perfect for gatherings and daily living. This kitchen brings both functionality and flair to your culinary adventures. Relax and unwind in the spacious primary bathroom. Step outside to the screened-in lanai, an ideal space for enjoying Florida's year-round sunshine without the hassle of insects. A highlight of 5208 Churchill Road is this impressive detached garage and carport, with space to park 4 to 5 cars or even a boat, perfect for car enthusiasts, boaters, or anyone needing extra storage. With spacious interiors, quality finishes, and outdoor versatility, 5208 Churchill Road is truly a home designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Contact the Sand Dollar Home Team to schedule your private tour today.